Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting input into the console fast. Connect your keyboard and mouse through a supported adapter or the Xbox app streaming path. Once done, install or enable the adapter driver on the PC and pair devices. Make sure the adapter advertises X input or native Xbox support. Then, check Elden Ring settings on Xbox, open accessibility and controller submenus, and enable any toggles that allow external input. This reduces latency and avoids dead zones, so you can move to in-game mapping next. Next, you map inputs and ToName. Use the adapter or app to map WAS to left stick, mouse X/Y to right stick, and mouse buttons to face buttons, bind scroll to item slots. Once mapped, adjust sensitivity in both the adapter and Elden Ring's camera options. Small changes matter. Increase in 5–10% steps and test. For precision, set DPI around 800–1200, then tweak. Also map dodge and parry to easy-to-reach keys, so you can react immediately during combat. Finally, you validate and troubleshoot. Head to an open area in Limgrave and check walking, sprinting, lock-on, and UI navigation. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity until camera feels natural. If you notice jitter or input lag, reduce DPI, enable smoothing, or switch to a wired connection. Also close background network apps if using streaming. Save your mapping preset so updates won't force a full remap. And keep a controller nearby as a fallback for menus or tethered required prompts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.